Okay, now look at the sixth question. An integer is chosen at random from the first 100 positive integers. What is the probability of that the integer chosen is a prime or multiple of 8? So look at the question carefully. An integer is chosen at random from the first 100 positive integers. So positive integer means 1 to 100. So this is our sample space. So this is our S. So they are given sample space, so s is equal to 1 to 100. So what is our question? What is our objective to find? What is the probability that the integer chosen is a prime or multiple of 8? Yeah, so the integer is chosen is a one prime or multiple of 8. So look at that or that is a main one. So okay, this is our answer. I already said that the sample spaces is given in the question. Okay, so s is equal to 1 2 3 so on up to 100. So the s value is already given in the question, the positive integers. Okay, and then I just write total number of s. Total number of s is equal to, there are 100 values, so n of s is equal to 100. What is our question? So question is, find the probability of getting prime numbers or multiple of 8. Is it correct? Yeah. So either prime number or multiple of 8. So I just separate this question into two terms. So first step is I just finding the probability of getting prime numbers. Yeah. So this is the first step, probability of getting prime numbers. So same process, I just let a is equal to getting prime number. I put a is equal to getting prime numbers. So I already said in the previous problem the value of that event. So that getting prime number and getting two tails, at most two tails, one head, one tail, these are all events. Okay, these are all called as events. So all the events value, all the answer of the events will come from only yes only. Okay, will come from yes only. So here A is a event. What is the event name? So the event is getting prime numbers. That is our event. Okay. So in the previous time, one head, one tail, getting one head, one tail. So that is our event. In that sum, getting prime numbers is our event. So I just let A is equal to getting prime numbers. So answer of this A. So answer of this A is comes from S only. A in the test I have 1 to 100 value. Okay. So what is our A? Getting prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers from 1 to 100? So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 100, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So you must write all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, I just written and then again and then I have to find number of A. Total number of prime numbers is 25. Okay, so after finding n of A, I just want to find probability of A. That means P of A, P of getting prime numbers. So P of A is equal to, formula is number of A divided by number of S. Yeah, number of A divided by number of S. So that is S. Yeah, that is S. Number of A divided by number of S. So which is equal to number of A value is 25. 25 divided by number of S value is 100. So I just cancel it 1 by 4. So consider this as first equation. So don't forget the formula is number of A divided by number of S. Okay, look at that, number of A divided by number of S. Okay, so I just found the probability of getting prime numbers. Next one is probability of getting multiple of 8. So next one is finding probability of getting multiple of 8. Okay, same thing. So here what is our event? That getting multiple of 8 is our event. So I just put b is equal to getting multiple of 8. Next what we have to do, we have to find the values answer for that event. So answer for that B. So I already said that the answer for that event will come from S only. So in that is S is equal to 1 2 3. So what is our event? Getting multiple of 8, multiple of 8, which means 8 16 24 32 40 48 56 64 72 80 88 96. So these are the multiple of 8. After 96 we will get 96 plus 8 104, but our s is our s is up to 100 only, so I just write 96 only. Okay, so and then finding number of B. Yeah, and then I just finding number of B. So I just write here number of B, which is equal to number of B is equal to totally 12 terms. Okay, 12. So this is P of B. This is P of B. Okay, so I just found the B values. So total number of B is equal to 12. And then what we have to do, finding P of B, probability of B. So probability of B, P of B is equal to, formula is what? Same thing, number of B divided by number of S. Number of B value is 12, number of S value is 100. That's why I written 12 by 100. Is it okay? That's why I write this 12 by 100. So I just find the probability of B. Probability of B, P of B. The formula is number of B divided by number of S. Number of B value is 12 and the number of S value is 100. So 12 by 100, I just cancel it and got 3 by 25. So okay, next one is, suppose the question is find yeah the question is finding the probability of getting prime numbers and multiple of 8 means எப்படி தந்திருந்தாங்கன்னா அண்டுன்ற வேர்ட் if they are mentioning means, so this is enough, so answer is enough. But in the question they are mentioning probability of getting prime numbers or multiple of 8. So we just want to find a probability of getting prime numbers or multiple of 8, which is equal to getting prime numbers A and multiple of 8 equal to B. So this is a formula R. So P of A union B. So R is union. So P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus of P of intersection B. So next one is A intersection B is equal to 5. Pi mean empty. So look at that A value, B value. So look at that A B value. There are no common terms. There are no common numbers. So which means A intersection B. Intersection mean common. So A intersection B means common between A and B. Okay, the common between A and B. So there is no number in common between A and B. So that which is equal to pi. Pi means what? Empty. So since A, B are mutually exclusive. Okay, so this is a formula P of A union B equal to P of A plus B of B. So I write the formula here because in the question they are mentioning R. So probability of getting prime numbers are multiple of 8. Okay, so P of A union B equal to, what is the value of P of A? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 25. I just take the LCM or cross multiplication, anything. So 25 into 1 plus 3 into 4 divided by 25 into 4, which is equal to 25 plus 3 into 4, 12 divided by 100, which is equal to 37 by 100. So this is the answer.